Forgetting to take daily medication is a massive problem, but most smart pillboxes are loud, ugly, or require annoying app pop-ups. So I designed a standalone device using an ESP32 microcontroller and a simple sensor that tracks your meds automatically. Red means overdue, blue means taken, and here's how I built it. For this project, we are going to use an ESP32C3. This is a great little controller with Wi-Fi. To detect the pill container, we will use this infrared sensor. It has a transmitter and receiver built in. For our light indicator, we are going to use this addressable LED. Unlike your traditional LEDs, it has 4 legs rather than 2. The 2 center pins are for power. One of the outer pins is for data in, where we send in our color data, and the other is data out if we had more than one of these LEDs. As far as wiring goes, the sensor will have an analog output and digital output. We want to hook into the digital and connect it to pin 0 of our ESP32. The LED will have its digital input pin connected to pin 10 of the controller, with power being supplied by the 3.3 volt output via a resistor around 180 ohms. We are also going to add a button to pin 11. This lets us reset the Wi-Fi credentials with a long press and also any false doses with a short press. The case is pretty straightforward. You can see the ESP and sensor fit in here quite snugly with a hole in the back for our pill and Wi-Fi reset button. I have left the front fascia as a separate item so it can be easily customized and just slots in this cutout. From underneath we can see where the LED sits in nicely. It has a shroud also to prevent any light leak. In the top, I made this indentation so you could color code or customize the pill container holder if you had multiple units. And here it is all completed. A little bit of wiring, but nothing too complicated. Once it is all done, it slots together nicely with screw holes that I will cover with rubber feet. On the back, I have the button location and USB-C power for the ESP. But how does it actually work? Our project needs to know time. In past projects, we have used a real-time clock, which is an extra piece of hardware. It's fine, but it takes up space and is an added expense when we can actually get the time for free, and it will always be correct. To do this, we are going to use the power of the internet. The web has NTP servers, or servers that just look after time. We can check out time across the internet, and it will always be correct. The downside being we need an internet connection, with the trade-off being all the other features we can have. With the time issue solved, we just need to detect the pill bottle, which is where our IR sensor fits in. These work like a TV remote, and if the beam is detected by the reflection off the bottom of the pill bottle, it acts like a switch and tells the ESP that the bottle is there. If it is removed for a predefined time, then we decide the medication is taken. Now we can tell the time, and since the medication bottle, we just need to program the ESP32 with the code from my Patreon and configure the device. When you first power on the device, there will be a new AP near you called Medication Monitor. Click on that to join it, then navigate to 192.168.4.1. Once you get there, you can configure your Wi-Fi and the check frequency. If your medication is taken daily, you will enter in 1, for twice a day enter in 2, and so on. Below that, the threshold for how long the bottle needs to be away from the sensor before it decides that the medication must have been taken. Once it is all configured, we can see the device has a red light as there is no recent log time. We just take the pill bottle off for 10 seconds, I will skip forward here, and the light flashes green to indicate a log has been taken, then orange saying it can't detect the bottle. When you put the bottle on, it'll go blue until the next cycle. If that was done in error, or you want to reset when you take the medication, you just tap the button on the back to reset the cycle. That's about it for this project. I might extend it further by adding a buzzer. I think there is enough room. Or maybe a notification system, so if you are in charge of a loved one's medication, it will let you know if it has been taken or not. Thanks for watching.